Let's make this beautiful chocolate cake from scratch using my homemade cake premix made with just 7 simple ingredients from the kitchen. First, take a mixing bowl and add the homemade chocolate premix. Now add water and give it a good whisk until everything is well combined. For this, please note you have to keep the speed of the beater on the second or the third. Next, add the oil and melted butter. Now, whip the batter on high speed for a few seconds. Today I am baking a tall cake of approximately 750 grams. So I have already preheated my oven. Now line your cake tin with baking paper exactly as shown in the video. And pour the batter into the cake tin. Since I wanted extra height, I've wrapped the cake tin with a silver strip foil to increase the height of the tin. Don't miss this important step. Gently tap the cake tin on the surface. If you would like to know the science behind this and many more baking tips, don't forget to check out my Instagram highlights. I pinned the ID in the comments. Along with the recipe, bake it for 170 degrees for 30 minutes.